Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing how to make samosas from scratch at the comfort of your home. These samosas are really easy to make and super delicious. So let's get right into this video. By preparing my samosa beef, and that's the stuffing, I'll just use mincemeat, a bit of cooking oil, some onions and some spring onions for this. Then I'll spice it up a little bit, and then I'll get right into making the dough for the samosa mandas, which is what we call them in Kenya. I don't know how you call them, but let's just say the pastry sheets. So once the stuffing is done, I'll begin preparing my pastry dough, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of water, and some cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons. Once my dough is ready, I'll then glaze in some cooking oil and then mix it up a little bit, let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then I'll just take it out and start rolling out the sheets once I'm done making them into round balls. So I'm just dusting my surface with some flour just for the dough not to stick, and then I'll begin the process. So once I'm done rolling the dough, I'm just going to add some oil, just glazing it on top, and some flour, and then I'll be layering it up with the other pastries just so that they don't stick to each other, and I can just now start preparing them into large sheets by rolling them up together. So once the sheets are done, I'll then place them onto a pan and then just let them cook for a few minutes on low heat and cover them at the top so that they can be ready. And then I'll just start preparing the gum for the samosa wraps, and I'll be using 1/2 cup of flour with about 1/4 cup of water. I'll just mix this together and then set it up aside, ready when I am now folding my samosas. So my sheets are ready, and that's how it should be looking at the top. Just to make sure that they are well cooked, I'll be removing the first layer, and now the other layers are so important because they're the ones that actually determine how the pastry dough is. And look at that, guys, isn't that just beautiful? You can see through it, and that's how you know the sheets are ready. So I'll now begin the process of wrapping them up. So I'll just put the sheets together and cut them into triangular pieces like so, and then I'll be stuffing them with meat. and I'll just show you a step-by-step process of how I wrap the samosas. The samosas are ready, and that's how they should be looking. I just decided to fry a couple, but it produced more. I just hit the pan with a bit of cooking oil, and now they're ready for the fire. So once they're done, I'll just set them out and let them rest for a bit by covering them. And trust me, this recipe was just the best because the samosas were literally melting in my mouth. That's how good the pastry dough was. So that's it for this video. Our video has come to its end, and that's how the samosas turned out. They're really beautiful. It was super hot while I showed you the inside, but trust me, they were so delicious, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.